Welcome to another episode of Podcast Name, where we delve into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we're going to explore some powerful tools that are revolutionizing the way developers work, specifically GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant, and some other exciting features offered by GitHub. To kick things off, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. Imagine having a coding partner who can help you write better code faster, much like how a skilled chef can whip up a phenomenal dish with just a few ingredients. That's what GitHub Copilot aims to do for developers. It analyzes your code in real time and suggests context-sensitive code snippets. So, rather than staring at a blank screen, you have this dynamic assistant that can suggest lines of code or even entire functions based on what you're working on. How cool is that? Speaking of cool, GitHub also offers features like security measures that can identify vulnerabilities in your code before they become a problem. This is like having a security guard at your digital door, keeping watch for unwelcome guests. Developers can focus on building their projects without the constant worry about potential security breaches. Now, let's chat about actions. Picture this: you can automate workflows seamlessly. This means whenever you push code to your repository, it can automatically trigger tests or deployments. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of your scheduling and reminders, freeing you up to focus on the more creative aspects of coding. Then there's code spaces, which lets developers set up instant development environments in the cloud. It's kind of like instant coffee for coders, quick and convenient, even when you're on the go. Imagine collaborating with others without the hassle of configuring each local machine. Definitely a game changer, right? I also want to touch on discussions and issues. They help teams plan and track work effectively, creating an organized space for collaboration outside of just code. It's essential for keeping everyone on the same page and moving projects forward smoothly. And let's not forget about code reviews. This feature promotes best practices, as peer reviews can catch issues or even spark new ideas, much like a brainstorming session at a cafe. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for our listeners. How do you think these innovations will shape the future of software development? It's exciting to think about. So, to wrap things up, today we've explored how tools like GitHub Copilot, Actions, Security, Codespaces, and others are transforming the coding landscape. They're not just about writing code. They foster collaboration, enhance security, and automate workflows, which allows developers to unleash their creativity. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Podcast Name. If you found these insights valuable, why not share them with a fellow developer? And we'd love to hear your thoughts on these topics in our comments section. Until next time, keep innovating.